If I'm searching for WooCommerce conditional shipping plugins, then currently there are more than 200 plugins available. For example, conditional shipping for WooCommerce, weight-based shipping, hide shipping method for WooCommerce, and so on. But in case you don't know, you actually don't need a plugin for every simple thing over there. And therefore, in this video, I'm going to show you 7 awesome hacks you can use to tweak your shipping system on your WooCommerce checkout page. So if you're interested, then let's jump in. But before I proceed, here's a quick shout out for all the WooCommerce sellers out there, especially if you're in the Netherlands, Czech Republic, Poland, Germany, Spain, Hungary, or Italy. If you're shipping products internationally and your orders are anywhere between 10 and 200 euros, then you'll want to hear this. There is a free plugin called Shipperman that makes shipping a whole lot easier and cheaper. Seriously, you can get set up in under 5 minutes. Just install the plugin, connect it to your WooCommerce store, and you're good to go. And the best part, you get access to really low courier rates starting from just $3.95. That means you can offer better shipping prices to your customers, which usually leads to more people actually finishing their purchase instead of abandoning their cart at checkout. So, if you want to make your shipping process smoother and maybe even boost your sales, check out Shipperman. It's free, it's super easy to integrate, and could save you and your customers a lot of money. So, give it a try and see how it works for you. Now, a couple of things I need to point out. First, all the snippets I'm gonna show you today, take a look at the description of this video. There is a link to the blog post that contains all the code. And second one, you can add all those snippets into your child theme's functions PHP file, or you can go to the plugins, add new, search for code snippets, this one here, install and activate it. This one allows you to add all the codes to the site, and you don't have to worry whether the snippets are active in case you change your themes. So code snippet is another option, but there is also a third option, and this one is WP Codebox. This is my favorite code snippet manager. This one is a premium plugin, but it allows me to save my snippets to the cloud. I can choose what kind of snippet I add here. I can choose the condition. For example, if I add the snippet, I can add the condition to show it only for specific product categories. For example, if I add a snippet, this one works only on accessories product category pages. Previously, I have made a thorough review video about the WP Codebox. The link to this video is in the description of this video. One more thing, as I said, it's a premium plugin, but if you take a look at the description of this video, there is a nice 20% discount coupon for you. In this video, I'm going to use Code Snippets plugin. So, I installed it and activated it. Now I'm gonna go to the snippets and add new. Because we're gonna add the first snippet, and that is we're going to disable WooCommerce shipping methods for a specific shipping class. Before I'm gonna add the snippet, a small explanation. If you don't know what are the shipping classes, then go to the WooCommerce settings, open up shipping. There are shipping classes. As you see, I have added 3 classes here: courier only, only local pickup, and only parcel machines. Pay attention to the slug here because we're going to use them later. Now, 3 shipping classes. Next, I'm going to add those shipping classes to the products. For example, let's imagine that this product here can be sent only with a courier. Therefore, I'm going to add courier only here. I'm going to update, and next, I'm going to paste this code here. So, courier only, as you see, this slug I showed you before, and this slug here. So, I'm going to add this one here, and it says, if the product contains shipping class courier only, hide local pickup, smart post, and DPD. In order to find out the shipping IDs I would like to use, I have to go to the checkout page. Right click here, inspect. I'm going to select the shipping methods I would like to hide. And as you see, there is a value here. So I'm just going to copy and paste it here, second one here, and third one here. Now only run on site front end, save changes and activate. Add to cart. And now if I go to the checkout, the local pickup, DPD and smart post should be disabled. And as you see, only local pickup 2 is activated, but not local pickup 1. So it works. And that means it's time to go to the second hack. Once again, snippets, add new, and this one we're gonna hide WooCommerce checkout fields when local pickup is selected. That is, if I select the local pickup, I will hide some fields here. Paste this snippet, and a couple of things for you to point out. Once again, here goes the shipping method name. So let's take a look. Inspect. It's local pickup 8. I'm gonna paste it here. Next one, take a look at this line here. It contains all the fields you can hide with this method. Company, country, postcode, address, address to, city and state. Now next one, I would have to change this method also here. Local pickup 8, only run on site front end, save changes and activate. And let's refresh. So currently free shipping. Now let's select the local pickup 2. And as you see, fields are hidden. And that means we can move to the next snippet. That is, I'm going to disable WooCommerce shipping methods based on specific category. So I'm going to add new, give it a title, and now I'm going to paste this code here. So what will it do? First thing, I'm going to go to the products and categories. And let's see, let's take a lightning category. I'm going to paste this slug here. And now if the cart contains the product with a lightning category, it will remove flat rate and local pickup and DPD shipping methods. So only run on site front end, save changes and activate. Your task is just to add the correct shipping IDs and correct category here. This golden lamp, let's add it to the cart. Now let's go to the checkout. And as you see, a bunch of shipping methods are removed. To test it out, let's deactivate it for a second. Let's refresh it. If after refreshing nothing happens, then just go to the cart, refresh your cart. And as you see, it clears all the cache, and now you see what's happening here. Once again, I'm going to activate it, refresh it, refresh the cart, and there you go. Now, if you would like to use more than one category, then just add comma here, copy this part, replace the slug, and you're good to go. Now, if you would like to disable WooCommerce shipping methods based on specific tag, then let's do that. It's basically the same code, just this part here, product cat, replace it with product tag. Now go to the product tags, choose the slug, for example lamps here, replace this slug, add your shipping methods, and you're good to go. Now let's disable WooCommerce shipping methods based on cart weight. Add new, give it the title, paste this one here, and take a look. If the cart contains weight more than 50 kilos, let's remove local pickup. Only run on site front end, save changes and activate. At the moment, my cart weight is 0 kilos, therefore let's add a product that contains some weight. So 9 kilos, nothing to remove. Let's add 10 of those here. Update. My cart weight is 90 kilos, and as you see, local pickup 1 is removed. Now if I would like to remove any other shipping methods, then I'm just gonna copy this part here and add, for example, local pickup 2 that should be removed. As you see at the moment, local pickup 2 is shown, but I'm gonna remove this one also here. So I'm gonna update the cart, and there you go. Only free shipping is available. I'm gonna delete this snippet and move to the next one. That is, I'm gonna hide WooCommerce shipping methods based on user roles. Add a new snippet, give it the title, paste this snippet, and now let's take a look what happens here. First, there is an administrator user role. I'm gonna remove local pickup and flat rate for the administrator. For the customers, I'm gonna remove free shipping and another flat rate. All other users, that means even if they are not logged in, for those I'm gonna remove smart post and DPD. So only run on site front end, save changes and activate. I'm logged in as an administrator, so let's test it out. And now I'm gonna refresh the cart page here. And after refreshing my cart, I'm logged in as an administrator. As you see, I removed one of the local pickups. Local pickup 2 is here, but first one is missing, and no flat rate, that is courier, is visible. Now I'm gonna open up the private window here. I'm gonna go to the site, add some product to the cart, view cart. I'm logged out user. I have to go to the checkout page, select my country, and as you see, there are 2 local pickups, courier, free shipping, but not the TPD or smart post. Now I'm gonna log in. I'm logged in as a customer now. And what do I have here? Let's choose a country, and I have local pickups, TPD and smart post, courier. And if I would like to remove the courier, once again, I'm gonna just take flat rate 1 here, this one, go to the snippets, replace flat rate 5 with flat rate 1, save changes and activate. And if I refresh my cart, as you see, the courier is also missing here. Once again, really easy solution. Now, there is one thing that bothers me sometimes with a WooCommerce, and that is if I choose local pickup, there is a ship to a different address. There is no point for it. So I'm gonna remove ship to different address if the local pickup is selected. Add another snippet, give it the title, paste the snippet, only run on site front end, save changes and activate. Let's refresh it. And as you see, I have local pickup selected, but there is no ship to different address. If I choose free shipping, there it is. If I choose this one, there it is. There is nothing here to configure, just leave it as it is. Wait! If you find this tutorial helpful, then press thumbs up, this one here. And take a look at this side of the screen. It contains 2 good videos. I think you may find them useful. Meanwhile, take care. Bye.